Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are drawing Bheem's friend Kalia. Do you know kids, Kalia is a strong and brave boy who is a friend with Chhota Bheem. He is big and powerful with lots of muscles. Sometimes Kalia can be a little bossy and like to show off, but he is also very loyal to his friends. He always ready to protect them from any danger. Kalia loves to eat and is often seen with his two funny friends, Dholu and Bholu. Even though he may seem tough on the outside, deep down, Kalia has a good heart and cares about his friends a lot.